Hi, I want to share with you today some thoughts, some ideas I came up with during my thinking time because I have this habit of always questioning things, always seeking new answers for my daily challenges or for the challenges of the people that are under my leadership because I have this belief that the solution you applied in your last challenges to overcome your last challenges is not relevant for the challenges ahead. Means that you have to continuously renew yourself by renewing your mind, renewing your thinking, renewing your attitude, renewing your habit. And improvement is the key here. I was thinking about success, and for those who follow me for long, you have noticed that I always assimilate or associate success with two big ideas. The first idea is improvement, progressing, growing yourself, developing new skills, become a better person, become more wiser, stronger, better than yesterday. And the second idea is achievement of a goal you set for yourself. And I used to say that success, or no matter the real meaning of success, it will come down always to what you define it to be for you. It means that success is what you define it to be for you. And the idea I came up with during my thinking time was I finally discovered that success is something we pursue, and we will never reach success like we think. It is not a trophy, it is not a prize, it is not something tangible, it is not in the achievement. You will never achieve success. Success is a ideal we pursue, is a vision we pursue. Success is something we grow in, and we will never reach its fullness. We are growing in every day by improving ourselves. Success is improving yourself, developing new skills, going towards new goals you set for yourself. And this understanding completely changed my perception concerning the success. I finally understood that you are not successful because you reach a goal, but you are successful because you have always a goal to achieve. And this is very important for us to understand. You are not successful because you reach your goal, but because you are always in a motion to achieve a goal you set for yourself. Means that success is in the dynamic, not in the achieving. Because I can achieve a goal that I set for myself yesterday, but after reaching that goal, if I do not fix a new goal for me to reach it, I cannot call myself successful, because success is growing yourself, is going to a better place, is achieving a better goal you set for yourself. Means that success is life, because you cannot live without growing. And for this reason, I understood that we live to succeed and we succeed to live. We live to reach higher goal for a better future for us and for those around us. And while we are reaching that goal, this gives us a sense of significance. And for this reason, success, we live to succeed and we succeed to live. Now, what is the application for you and I today? The application is that we have to set goals for us on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, on an annual basis. What is your goal for today? What is your goal for this week? What is your goal for this month? What is your goal for the next decade of your life? Because it's when you are in this motion, in this dynamic, in this momentum, that you are successful. Because the fact that you are walking towards the realization of a worthy goal will implies that you will grow yourself, you will improve yourself, you will develop new skills, and you will become a better person. Because at the end, people will remember less what you achieve than the attitude that made you a great achiever. Let me repeat it. At the end, people will remember less what you achieve than your attitude or the attitude that made you a great achiever. When we talk about Thomas Edison, we don't talk about the realization when we talk about his attitude, his habit, his success habit. That's the real legacy of Thomas Edison. And that's the same with you and I. So I hope you got some value from this video. Don't forget to stay tuned for the next videos on the same topic. It was Zoe from Cameroon. Success!